Hi everyone, this is Shivani here. Welcome to my channel Shivani Creations. My today's project is how to make this super gorgeous greeting card for Bhaidooj or Bhaiya Dooj, which comes after Diwali, and this is the beautiful festival and beautiful bond between sister and brother. So I have created this stunning card in the shades of purple, lavender and mauve. And you can just open the card like this, and inside the card I have added one small pocket in which I have added super cute note for my brother, and in this way you can write cute note for your brother. And without any further delay, let's start with the procedure. Here I am taking white color cardstock, which is 20 by 20 centimeter. This is 250 GSM in thickness. I have just folded this into half. Now here I am taking this pattern paper and randomly tearing it from one corner like this. So we want that teared texture which we are going to add on our card base, and with the same method I am taking one more cardstock. These are in English color printing, so don't take very dark tones of the printed cardstock, just take any English pattern. And if you don't have these kind of printed paper, you can simply use any beige color or lavender color cardstocks to connect in the corner. And taking my glue and sticking these hand teared cardstock in both the corners. Just cutting the extra cardstock from the edge. Then I have this beautiful border cutout which I am going to add in the center. So I'm just checking on which part it will look nice. So I think near the edge, from top and from the bottom, I am going to connect these beautiful borders. This die is by Itsy Bitsy and I have cut it on off-white color cardstock. Then here I am taking this beautiful stencil by Itsy Bitsy and using purple distress ink and blending tool, I am creating the stenciled effect on the corners of the card. Just to match with the theme, I am making my own texture pattern like this, very pretty. Then I am using same purple color distressing, added little bit of water into this, dipped my paintbrush and adding few splashes of the color here and there on the card like this. After that, in the center I have added the double-sided tape, so just removing the liner and adding this beautiful organza ribbon in off-white color. And I am connecting it from front and from the back so that we can close our card, just lining it exactly in the center. Creating a knot, and then here I have this beautiful square die cut design. This is also from Itsy Bitsy. I cut using light purple cardstock, connecting in the corner in diamond shape, and the base is ready. Then inside the card I am adding this beautiful die cut out belt just to pass the note. This is completely optional step. If you don't want to add this kind of pocket, you can simply add any paper strip and tuck your note like this. So our card base is ready. Now I am going to create my own handmade sentiments. So I am writing Happy Bhai Dooj using my black brush pen on white cardstock. I have distressed the edge of white cardstock using same purple distress ink. And then sticking it exactly in the center like this. Then to start with my first quilling flower, here I am taking half strip of dark purple color in 3mm and making one bended leaf shape, or you can say half moon shape. For my all quilling designs today I am using 3mm strips only. Then for the next shape, here I am taking half strip of light purple color and half strip of white color and making one Malaysian flower petal. Adding dark purple petal on top of this. Add little glue and start wrapping this whole petal using light purple strip. So the petal is ready. Similarly, we need to join total 7 petals to create the flower, and in the center I am adding half cut pearl in 10mm size using B7000 glue. And the flower is ready, very pretty. Then for the next flower, here I am taking half strip of lavender color and 1/4 strip of dark purple color and making one tight teardrop shape. Joining total 7 petals together and again adding 8mm half cut pearl in the center. So the flower is ready. Similarly, I have prepared one more flower already. Then for the next flower, here I am taking 1/4 strip of white and 1/4 strip of light purple color, making one teardrop shape. Similarly, I have prepared one more, so just joining both the petals together and wrapping this whole petal using lavender color strip. Now I am joining total 5 petals together to create the flower, and in the center I am adding 7mm half cut pearl. So flower is ready. Similarly, I have prepared one more. Now to create leaf, here I am taking 1/4 strip of sap green color and making one simple leaf shape. With the similar method, I have prepared lots of leaves already. Then to make scroll, here I am taking 1 strip of sap green color, dividing in 2 parts. Again folding both the strips together, dividing in 2 parts. So we have total 4 1/4 strips. Gather all together, fold it from center and start twisting it using pointed tweezer to create the scroll. just securing the end using glue, and the scroll is ready. Similarly, we need some more scrolls. Now taking back my card, and I have roughly arranged all the flowers. Now it's time to stick this using glue. So whatever way you like to arrange your flowers, you can change the arrangement according to your choice. But since the left side of card is empty, so I have decided to decorate my card in diagonal manner. And after putting all the flowers, I am adding the leaves here and there, and also decorating with scrolls. So this is completely done. Then here and there randomly I am adding few small size stones or diamonds in light purple color and dark purple color just to fill the gaps. If you don't have these kind of colored stones, you can also use small size half cut pearls like in 3 mm size, or you can also use silver stones. That will also look good. So this is done, and our beautiful greeting card for Bhaidooj is ready. And this card is not limited for Bhaidooj only. You can use these kind of methods to create cards for all occasions. And inside the card I have added this super cute note for my brother, which is completely handwritten. So this is a great way to add your extra cute gesture along with the handmade card, which will feel your brother more special. And if you are brother of any cute sister, you can make the same card for your sister as well. So that's it for today. Hope you enjoyed my video. Please subscribe my channel for more interesting videos, and please click on bell icon for the latest updates and notifications. I am waiting for your comments. Thanks for watching. See you next time. Bye.